Stop allowing people to show you twice what they have already showed you once. Even in relationship or family members, they showed you that they don't like you. Even sometimes, guys, sometimes don't repeat, because don't allowing them to show you twice. Why you are allowing them? Because sometimes, guys, when people they don't like you, you can show that they don't like you. Even in family members or friends, maybe they don't like you in their groups. Maybe you have got friends, but they know that sometimes they don't want you, but you are keeping forcing going to those people sometimes. So sometimes when they show you once, sometimes there is no need sometimes, because the guys don't allowing people to show you twice when they have already showed you once sometimes, because they don't want you. People, if they don't want you, they don't want you. Don't force even friendship or family members, especially guys when they know that maybe your parents are passed away. You know that family relatives, they don't like you most of the time. If they showed you, because sometimes they say family is very important. Yes, family is very important, but when your family they don't like you, if they are your family, you have to leave them, because maybe they showed you once that they don't like you. They showed you once that they don't like you, and you are keeping forcing going to those people. Sometimes, guys, you have to know your boundaries, because don't allowing them to show you twice. Because when they are going to show you twice, maybe they are going to doing something bad or hate you. They are going to hate your feelings. So sometimes when they are showed you once, maybe they don't hate you too much. So sometimes, guys, don't allowing them sometimes to show you twice when they are already showed you once sometimes, because guys, people are dangerous most of the time. You don't know a person what is thinking, especially guys, you are keeping going at that family, and those people they don't like you. You know that they don't like you sometimes, because people they can say, yeah, it's family, what. Yes, it's family, but you don't know where when they are going, because they hate you at the first time, and you are going back because you are saying it's family, but they are going to hate you more. Because sometimes, guys, you can say, yeah, family, guys, your family is your mother and father and your kids. Some of other people, your uncle, what, sometimes, guys, when they don't like you, you have to leave them. Or friends, when they don't like you have to leave them, because when they are going to show you, guys, at the second time, you can cry.